Alrighty, guys. Chrysler 200. It's not the 3.6, guys. Technically, it's the 3.2 liter, baby brother to the 3.6. Now, 112,000 miles. Here's the deal. Here's the complaint. Y'all see where I'm headed with this? Oil leaks. Yes, there is one known particular place you need to look for when you're dealing with an oil leak complaint on a Pentastar engine, whether it be the 3.2 or the 3.6. Okay, and that is the oil cooler. That's no secret. Everybody know that, right? Now, there are some coolers out there that's failing a lot sooner than this one. This one actually did pretty good at 112,000 miles. This is the original, guys. This one was put on at birth. All right, all of these, you can't buy these no more. Yes, you can buy this part number, but it's a revised part. So let me say this: you can't buy this exact same part anymore because they don't exist. All right, you can buy a cooler that appear and looks like this, but it's not the exact same part. Okay, so when people get in the comment and say you putting the exact same thing on, it failed the first time, it's not the freaking exact same part. Now here's what I'm going to do. Oh yeah, I'm ready to come off now. Oh shit, I forgot about that. Hold on. I want to analyze something while there you go. Now, okay. Ooh, yeah. See the oil all down here. Now, what I do, I just look straight down here. That's how I can tell if a cooler leak. But when it start getting real bad and it start leaking down on the transmission, that's real bad. So here's what I'm gonna do. Yes, I'm about to replace this. This customer, I have several personal customers that own these vehicles. Some with decent budgets to get their car fixed, some with zero budget. But I tend to work with people of all budget. Okay, now there's no such thing as zero budget. You got to pay me for my time and labor to put stuff on. Where I would try to cut corners, or where I would try to help you out is on parts. Okay, this thing, I don't know, fairly expensive. Now, I'm not talking about eBay and Amazon. Those are garbage. Okay, don't use those. If you're gonna get a plastic one, make sure it's a Mopar plastic. If you're gonna get an aluminum one, make sure it's a Derman. All right. In my opinion, there's only two good coolers out there: the Mopar and the Derman. And I'm saying Derman simply because they have the bigger name, so naturally they're gonna put a lot of effort into their part. Okay, it's made of aluminum. All right, but in my opinion, it being made of aluminum is not what's gonna prevent it from leaking. Yeah, okay, the construction bill. Now I understand where that thinking came from. Everybody think this is because this is plastic, it get brittle and just simply start leaking from the housing. No, man, they all leak from the seals. All right, let me show y'all something. Y'all see this? I got this job set up for another lady when she get here. This is the Mopar seal kit. 4 O-rings and 1 seal for a cooler, typical cooler. Okay, yes, her vehicle has 60,000 miles. Yes, but I highly, and it's a, what was this, 2018? It's a, I wouldn't say new, but it's a newer car with right in that soft spot where they was implementing the revised coolers. All right, so I won't know until I get it all the way off, but I guarantee you those seals are simply collapsed. All right, the oil leak is not coming from the housing. Let me get this thing off and we're gonna talk some more, because I'm interested to see how this look. Oh yeah, let me cover this up. I know how sensitive some of y'all are. Let me cover this damn cool up. But let me get this cool off and then we're gonna talk some more. In the meantime, let me cover up before I hear y'all mouth in the comment section. All right, looking at this housing, I know. Now the thing is, because of the age of this and because this is not a revised cooler, yeah, I'm replacing this with a new cooler. Okay, but if this was a revised cooler and it was leaking, you get new seals, because even this one, it's not leaking from the housing, it's leaking from these collapsed ass seals. Some of the bolts that were, these bolts right here, wasn't even, there was no effort to take them off, so the distance between this cooler and the engine became greater and it just went down. So the bolts just damn near could have took them off with your hand. Yeah, these seals are totally freaking collapsed. Yeah, so the seals get wore out and the cooler start leaking and everybody yell at the damn cooler. Okay, should they have made better coolers in the beginning? Absolutely. But you don't know something need improving until you have problems with it. Yeah, and this is very problematic. This is giving the image a bad name, but that I mean, that's just as flat. You can set that right here on top of the damn table evenly. Okay, yeah. So I don't get it. What they was thinking. All right, so yeah, with this model, I'm going in with the latest and greatest cooler. Now, what I mean by revision, let me explain that. Some people may not know what I'm talking about. Where's the part number on this thing? Right here. See, because this is a car, this is the earlier built 200s with the 3.2 in it. This one ends in AB, but this is not the majority. AB is because of this model. All right, so I'm guessing what I took off of here didn't have no letters. Okay, you don't know you need a AB or AC or AD until you know there needs to be a revision. So that when I took off that car, that's what that part number was, 68596-317, and that's it. Because there was a revision, they had to add. They're going in alphabetical order, so this is likely the second revision of this part. All right, and again, you can't look at it and tell, guys. So don't. It's the same. You're going back on with the same piece of it. It even feels a little heavier. Now here's the deal. Well, these seals, yeah, because on the vans and things like that, the seals are orange and a whole lot thicker. Yeah, these are exactly these, except for this orange one. All right, but this package is not for this type of car. Okay, so this package is for, what did I get this for? I forgot what kind of car she had. So if I go up there and get a package for this model car based off the van, they're gonna give me a package with probably this whole setup right here, 4 seals and 1 O-ring, and one of the seals is going to be orange. I don't know what that port leads to, so I'm not going to try to figure it out. All right, guys, it's just a discussion I want to have with y'all. All right, you can fix that with just seals, especially if the housing is already rebuilt or revised. Okay, but the thinking goes, if you go that far into it, just put a new one on it. I get it. I'm that way too. All right, but I have customers, personal customers, that don't have budgets. They can't afford this. Okay, so I do whatever, and I explain to them what I'm doing and why we're gonna go this route. And they never call back and say, I got this leaking again. Yeah, I've done this, I have to say at least 10 times, 12 times. I've done this repair. Take the cool off and go in with these. I haven't heard no more back from them since. So this is a viable repair. All right, it's just that you, or if they have the budget, get them a new one. That's my thing. All right, I gotta go. Solid out. Thanks for watching.